The design of our conventional mock-up facility started in drips and drabs from around 2002, and as and when money was made available, we were able to establish the various facilities to the point where we now today have a fully operational stoping mock-up facility, a conventional development facility, and with that we grew our capacity to provide practical training in a mock-up environment for the shafts, which was in its stages around 2007. I think the project was then finalized, where we had 4 shafts constructed to a depth of approximately 18 meters, 8 meters in diameter, and at that stage we were delivering conventional shaft sinking training. To the point today, we have invested quite a significant amount of capital to include the infrastructure changeover from the conventional method to the new method that we've adopted from our sister company in Canada, Cementation Canada. And that whole method has brought about our ability to provide training for 95% of our shaft sinking activities. With that growth, we've also grown our ability to provide training for our basic engineering skills programs, as well as our trackless mechanized mining training skills programs. We have recently purchased a number of simulators where they operate off 2 motion platforms that offer your pitch and roll. So it's a 3-degree motion platform where we are able to clip on and clip off different cab arrangements from our dumper trucks through to LHDs, bolters and drill rigs. Murray Roberts has taken an approach to support a zero harm initiative, in that we believe together we can achieve zero harm. And in order to achieve zero harm, we realize that people need to be trained in the means to prevent harm back in the workplace. Coupled to that, we also realize that our safety practitioners need more in-depth training into the mechanics around safety management. Good risk assessment rather, or risk management that will guarantee safer outcome of work. So we have recently become a member of the British Safety Council, to which end they have acknowledged us and recognized our ability to provide training, and therefore have allowed us to provide training on their behalf for the level 2 and level 3 international certificates. Okay, so in other words, Murray Roberts Cementation, the training academy, is accredited through them to be able to provide the training, although they will still be responsible for the assessment and award of the certificate. We provide the training. With that, we have also gone and spent a significant amount of time to set up and design our level 2 national certificate qualification endorsed by the Mining Qualifications Authority, and we are taking these products now to the external market. Soon there is a safety symposium out at Gallagher that we have secured a position, a spot, where we're going to set up our safety training programs that we invite industry to consider. And hopefully going from there through the use of multimedia that we are putting together as well to showcase our abilities to provide this type of training, we hope to engage the external market and assist the external market or the industry in general with equipping their safety practitioners with deeper skills to be more effective in their approach to the management of safety. Murray Roberts has recently decided to consider engaging local communities where there are underprivileged people or historically disadvantaged persons that haven't had the exposure of further training at a training academy, CETA accredited training academy like us, the mining qualifications authorities that we subscribe to, and we would like to engage these communities and provide training specifically where we are going to be operating. There will be mutual benefits, of course. The fact that we can draw off from those communities or tap into those communities that we've trained and replenish our levels of staff that have left our companies, that have exited from our companies at these various projects. But most importantly, you're also creating opportunities for further employment in these communities. And we are looking at 114, a target of about 114 people that we would like to train up in this forthcoming financial year. That being one of our foremost projects, and then obviously ongoing in growing our capacity to deliver training in shaft sinking as well as trackless mechanized mining. And then of course, as I mentioned, the launch of our safety qualifications as well. Those are the main projects that we are looking forward to engaging in the new year.